Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do area. Our learning objectives are: what is area, unit of area, to find the area by counting squares, to find the area by dividing figure into rectangles and squares. So first is, what is area? Area is the quantity that expresses the extent of two-dimensional figure or shape or planar lamina in the plane. In common uses, we say measure of the area of a surface instead of measure of a surface. Next is unit of area. A portion of a plane that has length and breadth both, so we choose a closed plane figure square as a unit because it has both length and breadth and both are equal. So unit of area हमेशा square unit में होगी. Small units, we use a square of side 1 cm to measure area. Area of the square is 1 square centimeter, written as 1 square centimeter. So we can write 1 square centimeter like this. So here this is a square. It has dimension 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, length 1 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter. In square all four sides are equal, so area will be 1 square centimeter. Figure 2 shows the rectangle 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. इस तरीके से काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3. So 6 into 3 square centimeter. So we can see it as the set of 18 square of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So area of rectangle, length into breadth, 6 into 3, that is 18 square centimeter. So area of square हो जाएगा side into side. Bigger units. A square of side 1 meter is a big unit of area. The area of the square is 1 square meter. Unit is used for measuring the area of houses, feet, ground, etc. 1 square meter, that is equals to 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter. That is equals to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. That is equals to 10,000 square centimeter. Clear? Now we'll take an example. Find the area of rectangle of length 6 meter 40 centimeter and breadth 4 meter 70 centimeter. So length of the rectangle is given. We'll convert into meter, that is 6.40 meter, and breadth will be 4.70 meter. So area of rectangle, length into breadth, means 6.40 multiplied by 4.70, that is equals to 30.08 square meter. This is how we can find the area of a rectangle. Next is to find the area by counting squares. To find the area of a regular closed plane figure, we draw the figure of centimeter square paper and then count the number of square enclosed by the figure. We'll take an example. Find the area of the following figure on square paper. Each square, that is 1 centimeter square. So solution: the area of the symbol swastika above. Total, we'll count how many squares are there in the symbol of swastika. So we'll count that there are 33 squares. So area will be 33 square centimeter. Clear? Next is to find the approximate area of an irregular figure. For that, we adopt the following procedure. We'll take an example. Find the area of the following figure on square paper. So solution is, we count the square enclosed completely. We count the square enclosed more than half and we leave the square enclosed less than half. So the area of our figure is 11 plus 17, that is 28 square centimeter. So in this case, what we'll do? We will count the complete square and the square which are more than half, and which are less than half will leave them. This is how we will count the area. Square count करेंगे and we will find the area. Next is to find the area by dividing figure into rectangles and squares. We will understand that with help of example. Find the area of the following figure. Here a figure is given. What we'll do? We have to find the area. So we'll divide the figure into rectangle and square. So for that, what we have done? We have divided the given figure into three parts. 1, 2 and 3. We have joined the points A to B and C to D. A को हमने क्या किया है? B से join कर दिया, C and D को join कर दिया. Clear? And divide the figure into rectangles 1, 2 and 3. Area of rectangle 1, that is equals to 4 into 18. 4 into 18, 72 square meter. Area of rectangle 2, here 4 meter, and total is like here. Total जो है उसमें subtract कर देंगे तो हमारी ये जो लेंथ है वो आ जाएगी, that is 6 meter. So 6 meter into 4, that is 24 square meter. Area of rectangle 3, 4 into 20, that is 80 square meter. So the area of our figure, will add them together. 72 plus 24 plus 80, that is 176 square meter. Next is exercise 24. Find the area of the following figure. Consider area of one box, that is equals to 1 centimeter square or square centimeter. So here what we'll do? We'll count how many complete squares are there and how many square which are more than half. So complete square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like this you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the complete square, and more than half you will count like here. This one is more than half, more than half, more than half, more than half. Like this you will count all the squares. So area will be 14 square centimeter. So you will add the number of complete square and number of square which have occupied more than half area, and this is how you will find the area. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is, let's recall. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. What is the area of the rectangle whose breadth is 5 meter and its length is double of its breadth? So here breadth is given, that is 5 meter, and length is double of its breadth. Breadth is 5 meter, double हो जाएगा 5 into 2, that is 10 meter. Clear? So area L into B, that is 10 into 5, means 50 meter square. So here D is the correct option. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.